Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ishmael here, and I saw a lot of people doing this, playing Subway Surfers. That's my sister's dentist game. That's Cheats for DTA. That's Lulu Box, and that's Ludo. So I'm gonna be playing some Subway Surfers for my first time on YouTube. Well, for my first time playing this whole game, not on camera or on camera, but I see Staria, Tatiana, and play this. So I was going to play this. I decided. So let's wait till this load up. It's loading. It's finished. The thing I love about this is I get to make new high scores. And I'm gonna make one right now. Comment below if I should play Victor next in the next video. Yeah, as you guys can see, I'm very poor in this game. I tried something. As you can see in the top right, well, in the middle right, you will see my high score. My old high score, of course. Getting these things raining quick. No. So guys, that's enough. Now I'm just gonna leave that right there. What game should I play? Or should I just like go on Instagram? Or should I? No, what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna play Slither.io. Cause fuck it. I don't know what to say else. I'm just going to play it. Yeah, so this is my YouTube channel. If you guys did not know, I don't know. So we're gonna be playing some Slither.io. I'm gonna change my skin, build my own Slither sets. Whoa. I'm just gonna play these two things. Yeah. Does this nickname? RILEY ground zero. Done. So I'm gonna play some Slither. Don't know if you guys like this game. Don't know if you guys have played it. But I just now got a kill. 2 kills. Deadpool tried to kill me. This game is working smooth, huh? Just wait for him to pop. He's trying to kill me. He doesn't know what's for him. Oh my god. I just killed him. Or if I didn't kill him, I would have been dead. Ali. Tried to spell Ali 80, but just didn't work. I'm gonna circle you so you don't get any fast ideas. Nice. Food. Tatiana, you should download this game. It's a good game. Oh, circle you. Oh no, he's trying to kill me. Oh my god, I hit his tail by mistake.
Hello? Is this thing on?
Oh my god.
Do you love games? And do you love discovering things? Well, do ya?
Oh. So guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. I'll catch you guys later. But right now I have to go and do some business. So, peace.